Alrighty guys, this is a walk around in my 2001 Silverado 4.8 liter. Pretty much stock right now, just got some 33s on there. A little dirty at the moment. Got some dual exhaust going out the back. Not a whole lot of big deal going on back there. Tinted the windows, 35%. Bomber plates. Just a nice little truck. Went some 4x4 in the winter time. Went through quite a bit of snow. Solid little truck. Pretty minty interior. Pretty small. Try and fit some subs back here. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that, but I'll figure it out. I'm going to do a little bit of a rev on my exhaust right here. I'd say it's a pretty loud, clean $40 muffler. That's all it cost me to hook that bad boy up. I'm probably going to get a grill and some headlights pretty soon. It's pretty clean otherwise. Maybe I'll just paint the black, all black maybe. Maybe murder this bad boy out. Kind of broken tail light there. It's all around clean.